Hey people, this was going to be an instructional video on how to fit the heated print bed to the Lulzbot Taz free, as the kind people at Lulzbot took pity on me and replaced my broken print bed. Whee! Unfortunately, I had to scrap the idea for an instructional video, as in the time it's taken me to tell you all this, you've almost finished watching me do it. Straight swap out from my sheet of ply using the Taz's existing heat bed clips, quick re-leveling, and we're done. So all I've got to say really is thank you Lulzbot. I've now got a fully functioning 3D printer that's awesome, and you're going to see a lot more 3D printing videos from me. I'm on a personal mission to prove that a 3D printer has a place in a modern woodworker's workshop. Thanks for watching all.